Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw pate. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. We will start with cutting onions into smaller pieces and put it into blender. Then we have to do the same with peeled garlic cloves. Then it's time for mushrooms. If all of them don't fit, we can add the rest into the blender later. We add some salt and black pepper. Now some natural apple vinegar. Vinegar without any additives won't be as clear as the one from the stores. Next is cold pressed oil. I will use linseed oil. Now it's time for agave syrup or some other sweetener. We mix everything together. Then we mix again after adding the rest of the mushrooms. Now we put the mass on a tray on which we will dry it. It is best to dry it on a large flat surface. We don't shape the mass yet. Now we put the mass into dehydrator up to 45 Celsius degrees to dry it for about 3 hours. The mass is already dried and from the top you can clearly see that it changed its color. We can now mix it with the rest of the ingredients. So now put it in a blender. We add some nuts. I will use almonds. However, walnuts will fit the best. Nuts were soaked all night, of course. We mix everything together. The rest of the ingredients we will mix using spoon or hand. So we put the mass into the bowl. We add sunflower seeds to the rest of the mass. Now it's time for spices. Rosemary, marjoram, basil, a little garlic, and ground sweet pepper. We mix everything together. Now we can put the mass in a form. I use plastic container with baking paper. Once it has firm shape, it will be easy to put it on a drying trays. We sprinkle everything with yeast flakes and we put the pâté on drying trays by grabbing the corners of the paper. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. Now we can form the sides a little and it's ready for drying. We put it for about 5 hours into a dehydrator up to 45 Celsius degrees and it's ready. Bon appetit!